How to come up with anxiety. Okay, so, first of all, we have to know about anxiety, what anxiety really is, and how it affects us. Here we go. What is anxiety? Anxiety is a feeling of worry, fear, or unease that can be mild or severe. It can be caused by anything that makes you feel stressed or nervous, such as a big event coming up, a problem at work, or money troubles. Anxiety can manifest in many different ways, including physical symptoms like a racing heart or sweating, emotional symptoms like feeling overwhelmed or panic, cognitive symptoms like constantly worrying or having trouble sleeping. There are many strategies you can use to come up with anxiety. How can you reduce my anxiety? There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the best way to reduce anxiety will vary from person to person. However, some strategies that may help include identifying your personal triggers is important to avoid them in the future. How can you do that? Our body has natural responses to stress and anxiety, which means certain environments or people may make us feel these emotions more intensely than others. The key thing with identifying what sparks an emotion like this from within yourself, aside from just being aware of how it feels after experiencing one, is knowing whether there are any ways to trigger those negative feelings again if they happen while out socializing. Maybe not always, but often enough where trying new places would help. Practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, yoga, or meditation. Take some time out and focus on yourself, which will help release endorphins and create feelings of relaxation throughout our bodies. Exercising regularly can be a great way to reduce anxiety. The more you move, the less your mind will focus on what's going wrong, and how much it needs something or someone else not to feel bored with life. The key to managing it is regular physical activity, and exercising for at least 30 minutes a day can help reduce or eliminate feelings of stress and boost moods. Talking to someone about your anxiety, a friend, therapist, or online support group. Anxiety is a tough thing to deal with, making talking about it harder. And the fear of judgment from others only adds fuel for anxiety's fire in some people's minds. Are you thinking the same? If yes, then don't. You can seek out online support groups or friends who will listen without any expectation. You can also go for a therapist. This is the best option because the therapist never judges you. Go for whom you trust more, but don't stay silent. Finding out what works for you and sticking with it. Sometimes, we need to take a break from the routine and try something new. New routines can be scary, but they are also exciting. The key is finding what works for you so that when life gets tough or boring, you know exactly where your focus should go next. For more information, subscribe to our channel and get updated.